Man, I love talking to our clients that are especially having tremendous success right now in this climate. One of our business brokers on the West Coast just informed me that they are blowing up. They have 60 listings, they have 12 deals in escrow. We helped put about 4 of them in the last couple of months. They have 70 people in their pipeline from our LinkedIn lead generation, 70, 80 buyers and sellers at different places in the process. Like I said, a ton of listings. The phone is ringing, at least 30 leads, qualified good leads per month. Come on, somebody. Listen, if you want to take your business to the next level, you got to go in. If you're not willing to significantly invest into your business, what are you doing with your life? You will be average at best. If you want to be phenomenal, you got to invest in the right places. Broker Lead Factory is here to help you. We will do a free strategy call, help you see where things are going well. Our secrets, we've learned a lot of tricks behind the trade. We went behind the curtain with a bunch of different corporate business broker franchises and boutique firms. We know how to help you grow. We want to talk. Let's jump on a call. There'll be a link in this video on our website somewhere. Get to us. Let's sync our calendars and let's take your business to the next level. Let's go.